I remember the then government's fight against illegal logging. To the extent that sales and distribution, if you recollect, those of you old enough, that chainsaws were monitored and controlled, sometimes even banned. But people found their ways around government policy by smuggling in chainsaws through our land borders. We were like a people determined, despite the best efforts of our government, to destroy our timber resources for a pittance. The current fight against Galamsey reminds me eerily of that fight and how even the so-called revolutionary government of that day lost the fight. As a result, choice timber species like Afromosia, Odum, Asamfuna, and the famous mahogany were exploited into extinction. Why did this happen? Was it because the government, as the leader, refused to lead and allowed uninformed but loud-mouthed citizens to call the shots and defy lawful authority? The arguments for logging included the protection of jobs and livelihoods. My question is it every job that is worth protecting? A cynical friend describes this as an example of the fact that no power of government, especially in a liberal democracy, can withstand the resolve of a people determined to destroy themselves and their heritage in the name of protecting their right to earn a living.